Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to convert Ethereum to BNB on Trust Wallet. So let's get started. At first let's get into Trust Wallet app. So here it is. Make sure you are logged into Trust Wallet. Now in bottom right corner we can see this browser icon. So let's tap on this and search for Uniswap interface. Now here we can see Ethereum already, and since we are converting, now click on select token and search for BNB. So here it is. Now we need to enter amount and simply click on swap. Here we can see, since I do not have enough balance, it says insufficient liquidity for this trade, and if you do have enough balance, you will see a swap option over here, and you can simply tap on this to continue the transaction. So this is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.